Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change only one page to landscape on Google Docs. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Docs. Now over here you can see here are multiple pages. I want to change this first page to landscape. For that, I'll select all the documents of this first page. And after that, click on this files, and over here you can see here is page setup. Click on this, and now over here you can see here is apply to. Choose this apply to this selected content only. And after that, choose this landscape. And OK. Now you can see this first page is changed to landscape and others are portrait. So in this way, we can change only one page to landscape on Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.